This is Celebrity Page TV, your Hollywood insider for everything in entertainment. I'm Sony Isabel in New York City.
And I'm James Vaughn on the West Coast, inside Apex Social Club, high above the world-famous Las Vegas Strip and Palms Casino Resort.
Welcome back to Celebrity Page TV. Earlier today, I caught up with James Vaughn to bring you another edition of Celebrity Page Deals. Check it out. All right, James, what do you have for us today?
Hey, Sonia, we got to get right into it because I was so excited about these Sharper Image wireless TV headphones. They're so super cool because with these, you can watch TV as loud as you want and not disturb anyone around you. They also help block out surrounding sounds for you, and they're super comfy. Check out these cushioned ear pads here. The best part, there's no Wi-Fi, there's no Bluetooth, there's no pairing required. Now, we've got these in either a single or a two-pack, and they can go for as much as $120. But our deal, 68% off, which means $25 for one or just $39 and you can get two of these.
Yeah, $39 for two. That's such a good deal. And it looks like you've got some other really cool stuff.
So speaking of really cool stuff, this Legacybox digital conversion starter kit is the best way to preserve your past because you can convert all your old home videos and printed photos that are taking up physical space and digitize them so you can also preserve them forever. All you do is simply load up your Legacybox with all your home movies, your videos, your photos, etc. And in just a few weeks, you get all the originals back as well as your digital version. Now, this kit can run as high as $85, but our deal on this, 66% off, which means you can hang on to your memories for just $29.
Wow, and that's such a good gift idea for the holidays, too. All right, what's up next?
Sonia, we all want those beautiful white teeth like the stars. We got a 4-pack of Nuova White's professional on-the-go teeth whitening pens that feature dental-grade strength whitening gel with 12% hydrogen peroxide. So you can actually start seeing results after just one treatment. And look how easy this is to use. Just brush it on the go. Now, it's perfect for quick and easy whitening or those touch-ups when you're out and about. And each pen holds 15 to 25 applications. Now, these sets can run as high as $199, but we've got the most insane deal on these. They're 90% off, which means they're just $19.
So cool. All right, and what's last?
Okay, Sonia, this Cashmere by Frost, I promise you, will be the only scarf that you need for fall and winter this year because for over 135 years, they've been the only brand that produces this cozy quality in this classic plaid. It is brushed to perfection, so it's as soft as cashmere, and it will elevate any outfit by adding a pop of color or a pop of pattern this winter. Now, these are also a really great gift idea when you need that ultimate gift for someone special who would not love receiving one of these. Now, they go for as much as $48, but our deal, 68% off, which means just $15.
All right, thank you, James. Good stuff as always. And you can get all this stuff at morningsave.com. But hurry, because supplies are going quick.